These Becos are always so cool. Beco, Escuro. And then right up here looks like a private place that just goes right up to a tiny little, well, I guess it's like, looks like a little Chinese style house, sort of. But then I guess it also goes up to these rooftops too. Somebody's honking the horn that way. And we're gonna come out, this is a Hula Centro right here, so we're basically just gonna come out here. And we have a nice little coffee shop to the right. And I think we're just gonna kind of give you a little preview of where we are exactly in Macau. And we're gonna start right, and by the way, just so you should know, COVID leftover signs. Okay. Hey, check out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Beco do Escuro. We're gonna step back and just try to see what we can see that goes up there. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. There's a stairwell right there. So this is a little Beco. Becos are like little patios, and it comes out to Hua Centro. So yeah, and they're kind of like looking up a little bit. You can kind of get a better feel of the city as well. So okay. Then we got a coffee shop that's like right there. Some nice paintings everywhere. We're gonna take a look at that in a second. And then this just goes up to, I guess I'll give you a little tour. So we'll go this way first, then we'll come back and go the other way. But we have some kind of nice things like this little Santo Agostinho. And that goes all the way up. You just kind of go like that way. And there's a Teatro right there. Famous one, Don Pedro V. And then that's Hua Central, so that's kind of our street right there. And then this goes down to, you just kind of go like this. Then that goes down to the waterfront. And I'm gonna try to go like this. Hua Central. That kind of goes up there, so now you can see that cathedral at the top there. And we are going to try to go down, we're going to go past our little Target Street in a second. This is all Agostinho. Let's see if we can get across here. We got some nice businesses. That's our little Beco Escuro right there. Huh. Got a kebab shop, air yards, yoga. And that's the, you can see now, you can see the Don Pedro. So up there is also St. Augustine's Church and San Jose Seminary. And I'm going to go across. Here's a little Beco right here. So we're just kind of capturing that little place. Has really nice artwork on the walls. Looks pretty full today, otherwise I'd bring the camera in. It's called Teatro. It's a coffee house. Looks pretty cool. Huh. That's they're advertising the Portuguese samba, Brazilian samba. Sponsored by the Portuguese bookstore and Strip Road through the Portuguese community. Metal lift. Huh. It's all kinds of interesting stuff everywhere in here. So we're gonna keep on going down. Musical Aces. And so that was our Beco was our target right there, but I'm also just kind of showing you just kind of the layout of where it was. And here's our little Beco for the Teatro. So I kind of curious about that one as well. I think we're just gonna go up, check it out real quick. Because the other was a Dom Gallo Teatro. Beco do Teatro. Huh. You look up in these ones, it's always kind of interesting because there's people that are living like right there, like right at that little tin shack right on the top there, and there's other little conjugated tin roofs too. Yeah, these little becos are kind of cool because they house little communities, and then you're off the main road, so they're quite quiet as well. You wouldn't hear the noise of the street. But this street is pretty quiet anyways. Rua Central is actually the, used to be a very, back in colonial Portugal, it would have been, colonial Macau, it would have been kind of a main street for the Portuguese community. So we're gonna basically do 2 streets here. And then, yeah, if you remember, there's Agostinho, and then it goes up to St. Augustine's Church up that way. And what we're gonna do is come over here. And I just want to show you there's another street, another church down here. I think it's just Lazarus. Okay, what's the name of this one? There's one coming up here, so I don't know if we'll go all the way down or not, but let me just kind of, I'm just gonna go up to this corner and just look up it a little bit. Yeah, I think I might just end this one. You got those 2 little becos, which is kind of cool. And then this just, there goes up to another church. But basically I just kind of, I guess I don't need to go to it. But this Rua Central basically is kind of a line of churches as well. Like Peña is way down at the end, not on the street, but it's at the end of this peninsula. And then there's a kind of a series of churches. So we're gonna just kind of sneak across here. São Lorenzo, St. Lawrence's Church is the other one. And then you can see the steps of St. Lawrence's Church right down that way. And then this is the governor's mansion, I believe. That pink building. I guess since we're here already, we're already on, we're pretty close to the St. Lawrence's Church. So we'll just go down and just show you that it's here. Lots of other cool stuff too. The guy with the purple hat, I think he's probably connected to the governor's house, probably. Guard, probably. And right here is the St. Lawrence's Church. And if you go down, there's more cool stuff all the way down. So anyways, a little taste of Macau. Now you can see the church a little bit better. The giant cross up there and everything. So that's not the focus of our street, but that is where St. Lawrence's Church is at. This goes down to Lilao and Bara and Ama Temple, Mandarin's house. There's a lot of stuff that goes down to. And then I'm going to turn the camera as soon as I'm going to take a look down this corner real quick. Take a look at St. Lawrence's from here. Go down down that way like that. And then come back. And then that way goes up to Senado Square, Sao Paulo Ruins, the Inner Harbor. And that's where St. Lawrence's Church is at right there. Okay, so we had St. Lawrence's Church, and then up there was St. Augustine's Church. And then between them we had the Teatro, so we had Beco de Teatro, and we had another one as well, Escuro. So let's just finish it right there. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.